Hello everyone, welcome to Grow with Data and AI. My name is Ankit and I come from data science and analytics background. In this channel, we'll learn data science, analytics and AI concept in a simple, practical and structured way. If you feel like data science concepts are overwhelming, you don't know where to start, or tutorials feels too theoretical, then you are in the right place. I can Basically, I created this Grow with Data and AI to help learners truly understand how data and AI in the real world works. This channel is for student, working professional, beginners who want to build strong fundamental and grow step by step without any confusion. And on this channel, you will learn data science fundamentals, Python for data analytics, SQL for analysis, Excel and Power BI, and basics of machine learning and AI. Real world examples and project will be taking some of the workshops on that as well. All concept will be explained clearly and in a practical use case. My goal is not just to teach but to help you understand why we use them, how they are applied in real life scenarios, and the content is actually very beginner friendly and structured and very easy to follow. You can actually look one video at a time or two videos at a time. I'll create a joint playlist where we can cover one specific topic and everything you can gather knowledge of at a time. If you want to grow your skills in data and AI, make sure subscribe to Grow with Data and AI. I'll be uploading videos regularly. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.